Hey, this is Kale Wise bringing you a cheap Walmart shotgun. Alright, this thing shoots at about 350 FPS. It uses the pullback system just like a shotgun. It only shoots one though. Only one. One BB. And let's test it out. It's actually not bad accuracy wise. Well, it didn't even knock that can over. Missed. There we go. And missed. And there's your cheap Walmart shotgun. You can also get these on Amazon and pretty much everywhere that sells airsoft. You can find these. I would not recommend it, but if you want to play in your backyard, this is a good thing for it. If you just got cheap guns for airsoft, if you're not going pro, this might be what you want, but I definitely wouldn't recommend it. It's about 50 bucks and it comes with a pistol. You may be able to get it cheaper on Amazon instead of the stores. So I'd recommend, if you do want it, get it off Amazon. And that's really all I can say for this. It's all plastic, has an orange tip, and yeah. So there's your Walmart shotgun.